Yay! Thank God it's Friday, right? Everybody's happy, the weekend is here, and the market is behind us. They don't have to look at those losses anymore. But why did you put yourself in that situation? That is the bigger question. And can you stay out of it? Of course you can. And there's a way, and there's a method, and there's knowledge. And that's what we do. That's the business we are in, imparting knowledge about markets and how to handle them both. Having said that, what is the market really set up for? It's formed what is known as an engulfing bear pattern on weekly charts and closed below a previous formation, which is known as an inside bar. So what that is a period of indecision has been broken. Now, you will be surprised that this is despite what looks like a very feeble decline in Nifty, thanks to the jump up in FMCG and IT stocks in the last few days. But all the rest of the market is down. So if I'm actually looking at the heat map, the 1 week biggest losers are what? PSU banks, realty, small cap, PSU stocks in general, and then followed by energy and mid cap. So this has been sort of the place where most of the losses have occurred. PSUs were obvious, I think, from the start of the week. Every day PSUs were falling irrespective of what the market does. So that is what has happened. And the 40-week average is broken across indices. So no question over there that the downtrend is getting more and more confirmed. We are setting up for 22,800 and lower. So I hope you're doing that, and we'll have a much more detailed discussion on this in what I do is called the Weekend with India Charts show every Saturday on India Charts. So you can actually join us there. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to India Charts Insiders. Costs you nothing. At least that's what I think. If you have a portfolio, otherwise why would you pay for it? But if you're investing in these markets, trading in these markets, it will be extremely helpful to have that thumbs up in terms of what is developing and what are the patterns with a holistic approach everywhere. India, global, bonds, equity, and the linkages. That's what I do. But this is usually a follow-up to what is known as the Longshot Report, something I wrote earlier this week, and I write once in around 2 months now. And that sort of creates the whole message of what we are really looking at. For example, once I wrote that, I got an idea that bond yields are basically going up. The bond market is the real problem because bonds are selling off across the globe one after the other. And I've covered a lot of those charts and levels, where they are headed, where will yields go in the Longshot Report. And then once I do that, then we have daily updates that follow up on a day-to-day basis, various trade setups. And then on the weekends, the weekly update and the Weekend with India Charts allows for the best all-round discussion for around 50 minutes that I do. And that is what I invite you for tomorrow at indiacharts.com. India Charts Insiders is the place to sign up for over there, and you can get insights to that. So yeah, much more weakness coming up in the next